Introducing Grasp XR, an immersive learning platform designed for schools. Our mission? To help students learn in exciting, interactive ways while giving teachers and administrators the tools and insights they need to unlock every student's potential. Students start in the lobby. Here they choose their adventure, maybe exploring the moon, walking through a rainforest, or traveling back in time to ancient civilizations. With each scenario, we bring lessons to life, making learning more memorable and engaging than ever before. As students progress, they can see how they're improving and even compare scores with classmates, turning learning into a friendly, motivating challenge. Schools can easily switch the language, including Arabic support, so lessons feel relevant, accessible, and comfortable for all students.
أنا زي روبوتك المساعد.
Not familiar with VR controls? No problem. Our step-by-step tutorial ensures everyone, from beginners to tech-savvy explorers, feels confident moving around and interacting with the virtual world. Meet Z, our friendly guide who offers hints, answers simple questions, and keeps the journey fun and stress-free. Schools can personalize the VR environment, adding their own logos and colors. It feels like an extension of the classroom, just more immersive. While students learn in VR, teachers and admins are empowered behind the scenes. With a few clicks, educators can start new sessions, switch languages, or launch tutorials right from their browser. No need to pause the lesson. Detailed reports highlight how each student progresses, where they struggle, and how they can improve. It's data-driven insight made simple. Celebrate milestones with badges and bonuses. Rewards keep learners motivated and eager to explore more. Artificial intelligence helps pinpoint what students find challenging, guiding teachers on where extra support might be needed. It's like having a virtual teaching assistant working behind the scenes. Every participant receives a certificate, complete with the school's own branding, celebrating their exploration and acknowledging their engagement in a meaningful way. With Grasp XR, schools can embrace immersive, AI-driven learning, helping students dive deeper into subjects, stay engaged, and truly enjoy the learning process. It's the next step in educational innovation, bringing lessons to life in a way that inspires curiosity, creativity, and confidence.